In this video, I'll show you how to add funds to your Bitget Wallet account step by step. First, open Bitget Wallet on your phone and unlock it. On the home screen, tap Receive. Now choose the coin you want to add, like USDT, BTC, or ETH. Next, select the correct network. For USDT, you might see options like TRC20, BEP20, or ERC20. This part is critical. The network you choose must match the network you use when sending, or your funds could be lost. Once you select the network, on Bitget Wallet will show your wallet address and a QR code. Tap Copy to copy the address. Now go to the app where your crypto is currently held, like an exchange such as Bitget, Binance, or Qcoin. Choose Withdraw or Send. Pick the same coin and the same network, then paste your Bitget Wallet address. Enter the amount, confirm the fee, and submit. After the blockchain confirms the transaction, the funds will appear in your Bitget Wallet balance. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.